Hi guys, my name is Sony and this is my unboxing video of Sony Xperia M2 Dual, as you can see. So let's get to the unboxing. The box is still sealed pack and the price written here on the box is 21,990 Indian rupees, and that's written on the box, and it's available in the market for around 20,990 rupees or even less. So this phone is going to come down in price pretty fast, I think. It's got a lots of seal. Before opening it, let's see what else it's got Exmor RS sensor for mobile, 4.8-inch LCD display, that is TFT LCD, not luminous or IPS, 8 megapixel rear facing camera, QHD display. That is actually good instead of HD because of the processor it has. 1.2 GHz quad core processor, Snapdragon 400 processor, clocked at 1.2 GHz, and Adreno 305 GPU, and it also has HDR, Android Wi-Fi, and dual SIM. Let's open it. So first of all, here's the phone. Let's take it out. It feels a little heavy in hands, and let's take this out, and also the back. This phone looks exactly like Xperia Z, but it is not waterproof. Let's turn it on and look at the other things inside the box. So here you have your startup guide and various important information. Here's the charger, standard Sony charger. Let's see what else it has. And the USB cable, standard USB cable. And here white Sony earphones, and they are not in-ear style earphones. They are those very old pathetic earphones that does not even stay in your ears. Quality is not that bad of these earphones if they stay in your ears. Anyway, let's put everything back inside. So as the phone, it feels very premium in hand, and its build quality is pretty nice. It's an unibody design and the dual SIM logo. The dual SIM logo is actually a sticker on the phone which you can choose to remove or let it stay there, that it will keep showing that this phone is an dual SIM device. Let's unlock it. So here it is, all booted up. So far so good. It is all very smooth. The screen looks very good too. Let's see. The Android version 4.3, and on the box it says Android 4.4 KitKat upgradable. So this phone will get an Android 4.4 KitKat update in the future. Let me show you how much memory is available. Out of 8 GB you have total space of 5 GB, and available is around 3.96 GB, that is approximately 4 GB available for you to use. That's it for this unboxing.